don't need to here. That's right, we are plastic persons here. I am Avidir Mulari. I am Anshi Patel. I Jia Patel. I Dhruvraj Sridhar.
I Kavan Patel. I Das Baro.
Are the members of Plastic Persons. Hello Shiv. What plastic do we use to heat? And what? I use water. I use 1 to 2 polythene bags per 2 to 3 polythene bags rather. I have so limited yet. 2 to 3 polythene bags. 1 polythene bag is only 2 to 3 plastic bottles. Thank you. Hello. Today I am going to take the interview of Stephen and the plastic waste management in their household. Here we have our neighbor, the first person who we are interacting with. Hello. Hi. So let's start the interview with the first question we have for you. So the first question is, do you think that the plastic waste management could be more convenient and how? Yes, it could be convenient if people get awareness of using it in a recycled manner. Actually, we should not use any of the plastic. We should not recycle because it can be misused. The normal plastic can be misused, and we must think of the animals who intake all the plastic and they lead to severe problems, as well as usage of normal plastic leads to tampons, which is very dangerous for human beings as well. So I prefer we should use only recycled plastic in household also. About me using the plastics in my normal repeat, so I avoid as much as possible. But when it is required, plastic bottles refilled with the water. So I prefer recycled one, and yes, I dump those plastics into recycled bin only. Okay, so this is your way how do you? Yes. Usage of plastic should be minimal, almost nil. And if the plastic used in day-to-day life, it should have a particular content of the plastic which is not harmful for any living being. It could be, it is human being as well as animals, any living being, because as I said, it leads to cancer and it is very, very, very dangerous. Sure. So everyone should take steps to use the plastic in minimal way. And that's a really good message for the people who are watching us. So here's the next question. How do you segregate plastic waste at your end? As I said earlier, my usage is very minimal. And what it is used is the recycle part. So I dump it in a recycle bin. And if I use other than recycle, if there arises any need of it to use other than recycle, I just crush those things, those plastics, which can never be used by any other person. Or, for example, a plastic bottle, which can be refilled by any person. And pass it on to other people, which is very dangerous, I think. So I just flush it and destroy it in a plastic bin and recycle into a recycle bin. So is there any system in your house to segregate the dry waste and the wet waste? Yes, we do have separate bins. For dry plastics, we just dump into that bin, and for recycled one, in the recycle bin, and also the wet things. And the bad things. We don't use plastic polythene because that are very, very, very harmful. And the product kept inside those plastic, that is plastic polythenes, we intake in our daily lives. And again, we are intaking not only those things, not just vegetables and fruits, but we are intaking the plastic content into our body, which is again very harmful. So here we have one more question for you. Okay. What are the different plastic wastes at your home, and are those recyclable? Yes, those are recyclable. Very less usage of plastics and that will be recycled. Other than plastic also, I would really suggest you must switch to maximum products that are all recycled. And nowadays, cosmetics are coming up which can be recycled, or clean waters. Even many of the brands are coming up with a recycled plastics. So I would really say that minimal usage of plastic, and whatever plastic is used, that should be recycled. Or if not recycled, that should be glassed in such a way so that it can't be used by anyone. Right? Yeah. Ali, that's very good that you don't use much plastic for the TV family. Yeah. So here we come to the end of our first interview. I would like to end this interview and thank you so much for being here with right here. And it's really nice that she is working and the team is really working very hard to create awareness among the people that plastic should never be used. If someone is using, a message should be given to those people. The plastic is not at all good for health, and the animals who are really indicate on plastic is so harmful for the health. It should be actually stopped, and if it is within we people, awareness can be created, and we actually have to work safe, discipline, and self-discipline can be done, and it can be processed. के पीछे तो plastic should be used very less. This message is GA is giving, and the team is giving. And all the best, very best to you, Gia. Thank you so much for being here with us. Thank you. Hello, so here with our second interview with another neighbor. So here's the first question for you. Is there any proper waste management in your society? So yes, we do have one. So as each individual contributes to dispose of plastic waste, or as society, as a community, we also have taken some necessary steps for its disposal. That's really good. So how do you manage the plastic waste in your household? So obviously every household generates the plastic waste like plastic bottles or cleaning and food packaging material. So if it is not reusable, we dump it or we store it in the separate dustbin to keep it away from the wet waste. And if it is not reusable, if it is reusable, then we use it to store any other food material or any other material. So it can be reusable. Yeah. So what is the plastic waste management in your society? So how does it work actually? So as mentioned earlier, we keep it as storage in separate dustbins. So each household's plastic waste is collected by the rag pickers, which come daily to our society, and then it is collected and taken to the landfills where it is stored, or either it is burned, like in recent process happens, it is burned, or either it is thrown in the landfills by the trash truck. Do you think that the plastic burn is harmful? Oh yes, obviously the plastic is a very harmful material as it is non-degradable material, which has very harmful effects on the environment. So hence it should we should use minimum use of it, or if it is used, we should take necessary steps for its disposal. Thank you so much for being here with us, and now here we end this interview. Thank you.